Welcome back, you guys, to another unboxing. Monday, happy Monday. Have to work today, so sucks. Luckily, it's a minimum day, so which means basically I can get in there. The kids are already out of school early, so I can get in there and do the rooms that way, which I think is awesome. Biggie Smalls almost had Big Pun. Biggie Smalls, Notorious B.I.G. Have him in the background. This is the Ten Commandments, and I don't think I've had this on my CD feature CD. It's none other than Life After Death. I believe this was the last album he produced before dying. Or he died after making this. This is the authentic original CD case. It has a sticker right there, which I do love. Sadly, it is in bad shape. At least the outside. Excuse me. The CDs that were inside were in decent shape, enough to play. So many good songs out this album. I can name so many classics, so many good songs. My favorite one would be the 10 Commandments, of course, and the other one would be, what is it? The Kick in the Door. That one I love. Even though I'm more of a Tupac fan. Who Shot Ya? It's still good. I'm not gonna lie, it's a good song, but I don't know. I just love Biggie as well. You know, it's a classic. So that's the CD case. That's the back. This is thick. Let me see if I can open this. That's the first side. It'd be like that, and this would be the other side. Cool little CD to have in my collection, you know, something a little different, nothing too wild. Today I have a package to open. Today is diecast. A buddy of mine, Raph, he's a big Jada collector as well. He also collects other diecasts. Most of you might know my 124 scale. I think it was Lamborghini something. I don't know the name of it, what it was. I don't have it here because that's the vehicle I traded it for. This vehicle that I had is one of one that I know of, so it was a prototype. Has yet to be released. It probably might not even be released. Ever since I got it in my collection, he's been bugging me for it. Cool dude. He's a big Lamborghini fan. Let me skip this ad.
And using them safely is important. Here's some tips.
And he's a big Lamborghini fan. And, you know, he always like, hey, wait, when are you gonna sell it? When are you gonna sell it? Let me trade you or let me get it. You know, I posted up the other day that I got a box, you know, the whole display, made it nice and clean. It's like, he told me, he's like, hey, remember you told me you were going to trade me for it? I was like, fine, I'll trade it for it. Yeah, what you got? So I got this cool little kit that he had for the Mustang. I don't know how rare it is or what the dealio is, but I didn't really care, you know. As long as it was something that was, you know, what he got was 10 times more valuable what I'm going to get, you know. But it was all for, because, you know, it's his, you know, we've been cool friends for a long time. He's Mexican, I'm Mexican. He likes Chivas, I like Chivas. So, you know, it was like, oh, I gotta help a brother out, you know. I'll let him get it for, you know, a steal. So he got it for a steal. Because you're not gonna find that anywhere. And it was one of one, so that I know of so far. So technically I got robbed, but I don't really care. For a good reason. He got what he wanted and what he was asking for a very long time. So that's kind of cool. Mine was brand new in box, so that was kind of cool to have. That's the inside. I gave him a little extra goodie of a 164 scale Hot Wheels car. Okay, that's empty. As you can see, it's big time muscle right there. It's old. That's the other side. This is a kit, by the way. This is the cast model kit. Pre-painted, easy to assemble. It was hard to choose something that he had in his collection that I would love. I don't know how rare this is. But I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna leave it as is. Kind of want to build it. Not gonna lie. This is a Mustang. I don't know what the rarity of this. I will have to check it. Everything isn't sealed. Basically, the thing that's holding it together is this plastic mold right here. There's no interior. That's the back, by the way. This is a cool little Mustang, Shelby Mustang. I do love the black wheels. Let's get that thumbnail going. So yeah, it's a cool little trade that I got. The box is in great condition. I don't know much about the price range on this, but it's a little cool little trade. He has something that he always wanted. He's really excited for it. So that's, I made his day. So that's cool. And I got something in return that I've never seen before. And I can find on eBay, so that's kind of a little unique. Definitely going to be putting it up there with my diecast. The rest of my box diecast. I'm not much of a Mustang fan. I'm more of a Camaro fan. Sorry out to you Mustang fans. I do love Mustangs, it's that I don't know, something about them. Most Mustang owners, I don't know, they think they're the shit just because they have a Mustang. Every time I'm driving next to a Mustang, all I hear is just hit the throttle. But yeah, it's cool little different, I don't know if I want to build it or not. I probably won't, since it is brand new and sealed. Everything is there. I'm assuming I'm gonna give this a price range of 70 to 80 bucks. Only because I haven't seen it. There could be some out there. I don't know how hard it is to find or how many that were produced. But this is a diecast model kit, which are a lot harder to find. Unique. If you like this unboxing, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. If you're new, more coming. Not diecast right now. Just only been buying shirts. I have like 3 more shirts coming through. Actually 4. 4 shirts coming through, so stay tuned for that. If you're part of the Echo fan base in my collection. So let's do this. Mom's in the background. So let me do that.